Hey there, it's Jocelyn with Musically Minded, and today I'm going to be teaching you a song called Mr. Turkey. It's to the tune of Where is Thumbkin? Now for this one, we're going to need to know two chords on the ukulele, C and G. So let's first go over C. So, you know, in ukulele, they count this is finger 1, this is 2, this is 3, and I suppose this guy's 4. So we're gonna just need to do one finger, and it's our third finger right here. It's gonna be on the 3rd fret and the 4th string, and that's C. So give it a try, see if that sounds okay, and then try to play all 4 strings. How's that sound? All right, so that's C. Now to play G, you're going to use fingers 1, 2, and 3. Finger number 1 is gonna go on the 2nd fret, 2nd string. Let's see how that sounds. All right, if you don't get a pure sound on that and it just doesn't sound right, double check that you're really getting just that tip of that finger playing it and you're not really leaning it over and potentially playing another string. Now we're gonna add our 2nd finger, and that's gonna be on the 2nd fret on the 4th string. So now see, they're kind of stacked right below each other. And I'm playing right on the tip of my finger. And then here comes finger number 3, and it's going to reach over into the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. So 1, 2, 3. Now make sure they are sounding okay. There it is. All right. Now for this song, I would really work on making sure you've got this transfer. You can go back and forth between those 2 chords, okay, C and G, because we're going to be doing a lot. Now, I always use the trusty pick. So my song goes like this. Mr. Turkey, Mr. Turkey, run away, run away. If you are not careful, you will be a mouthful on Thanksgiving Day, on Thanksgiving Day. All right, so Mr. Turkey is a fun song. You remember, it's also to the tune of Where's Thumbkin, so really you learned 2 songs today. You can go and add that one in. Now make sure you download the lyrics and the chord sheet so that you can put this in your repertoire and practice it so you're ready for your next sing-along.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check that subscribe button so you're always up to date on all of our new videos. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.